What more can I tell you?
Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Sasha and I normally do videos with my daughter Arella, who is 2 years old. But in today's video, I'm actually going to be talking about my skincare routine, and the product that I've been using for a little while is MDacne. So a little bit about MDacne. This is what their products look like, and I have the customized hydrating cleanser for the day and night. I also have the customized active moisturizer. This is for the daytime. I also have the night cream that is customized as well. So this is strictly for the night. And then I also have these Blackhead removal strips. So a little bit more about MDacne. They are a company that makes you these products that are customized for your skin, and you fill out a little survey on their app. You answer a few questions and then you take a selfie. It scans your face and it ends up creating this whole skincare routine for you. So I like this because I've actually suffered with hormonal acne, especially after having my daughter. I've been experiencing a lot more breakouts and stuff than usual, and especially when I eat dairy and anything with lactose in it, that causes me to break out like crazy. And so this has really helped clear my skin up and then actually helping me balance everything out. So I do have like a lot of the dark spots still because it's hyperpigmentation and stuff like that, but actual breakouts and pimples and stuff, I definitely don't have that anymore. And this doesn't give my skin that dry feeling that you get with a lot of cleansers. So after washing your face, it takes off all your makeup and it leaves your face feeling refreshed and not dry. And then after, when you put on your moisturizer, either for the day or night, it's really lightweight and very little product goes a long way. And then after putting on your sunscreen, it really feels very light on your face. It doesn't have that heavy oily feeling, and I really like that. So this is what the MDacne app looks like. It says step 1, take a selfie. Step 2, we assess your skin. Step 3, my daughter is here with me. Step 3, a customized acne treatment kit is sent to you, and you can chat with a dermatologist at any time. Track your skin progress and exclusive videos, guides, and tips. Hi. So I already have an account, but I just want to show you guys what it looks like when you start the assessment. So click start. It asks what your gender is. I'm going to click female. How old are you? 24 years old. How long have you had acne? The options are less than 3 months, 3 months to a year, or more than a year. I would say 3 months to a year because after having her, that's kind of when it started-ish, and it's kind of on and off, but 3 months to a year. Which treatments have you tried before? Creams, pills, both, or nothing? I have personally only tried creams. Do you have sensitive skin? I would say yes. What's your skin tone? I'll go with tan/olive. What's your skin type? Dry, regular, oily combination? I'm not sure. I'm going to go with dry, or a combination because it can go oily and dry. So combination. Describe your acne. Only blackheads, mild, moderate, or severe. So I'm going to go with moderate because it comes and goes. Any of these trigger your breakouts? Check all that apply. Monthly cycle, poor diet, stress, sweat. So I'm going to go with monthly cycle and then poor diet because for myself, I break out with dairy and anything lactose. And yeah. Are you pregnant or breastfeeding? No. Do you have freckles, shaving bumps, large pores? I'll say I have large pores because honestly I have large pores, so yeah. Oh, okay. And shaving bumps as well. I also do have that. Any additional concerns? Body acne, dark spots, acne scars, skin aging. So I'll click dark spots and acne scars because that's where a lot of my hyperpigmentation comes from. And I'll click next. Any additional concerns? Fungal acne, rosacea, seborrhea? No, I don't have any of these, so none. Any known sensitivities? No, I don't have any to these. Let's analyze your skin. The app will analyze acne lesions, dark spots, and acne scars. Okay, so analyze. Make sure that 1, your face is well lit and evenly illuminated. 2, there are no shadows on your face. 3, the hair is off your face. Okay, got it. And they're asking to access the camera. Okay. Okay, so get your analysis, and then it asks you to sign in with Apple, continue with Facebook, or your email. I already have an account, so I'm just going to skip this. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like, but that is the MDacne app. This is what the box looked like when it came in, and it says customized for you, and I really liked it because there was this little message somewhere on the box. Oh, here. Caution may result in self-love, excitement, and less blemishes, which is totally true. I have a lot of breakouts that I experience on the jawline, and then I have like the dark spots that are on my chin. And with my like routine, I also add in changing my pillowcases daily because like I'm really crazy about the dirt and bacteria getting onto my skin. So that's what my skin routine's like. First, I start off with my cleanser, then I go in with my night or day cream, and that's it. I like to wear my sunscreen every single day. I make sure even if it's cloudy, sunscreen is necessary. I like to wash it in the morning and then in the night, and it goes a really long way. This has salicylic acid inside, so there's 0.5%, and it's a 2-ounce bottle, so it lasts for a really long time. And for the month that I've been using it, it's gone a long way, and it helps take off your makeup as well. So that's another thing that I really like about that, because it helps you take everything off, and then you know your face is fresh and clean. And with these blackhead removal strips, I definitely have that problem where I experience like a lot of blackheads. These strips really help to like pull everything out, and then it has the instructions on the back how to use them. So wash your face and just applying it on the clean face as usual, and then you leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes or a little bit longer. Like sometimes it needs to get fully stiff, and depending on what you're doing, like it might take a little longer. So just leave it on until it gets stiff, and then you pull it off and it gets all that gunk out. After I take my strip off, I'm going to show you guys, and I will be washing off all the makeup and showing you what it looks like after everything is cleared. And I'm going to be including pictures as well, so when I first started using the products and then after. And I know with using new products, your face usually tends to purge, so you break out and everything from underneath starts coming out. And so I experience like a lot of blackheads and like pimples under the skin, and it's really hard to like actually get them out until like it comes to the surface. But this had everything come out, and especially like around the chin area, and like even ones from like on my hairline and stuff, because my hair, like the oil and stuff, there's little blackheads that you get here that you don't even see, and then this just pulled everything out. So it really made my skin purge. And then after everything started clearing up, I wasn't worried when I seen my face starting to break out with it at first, because I knew that a lot of things have to come out first. And then after, when I noticed like it started clearing up, I like giving my products 4 weeks, and so that's why I waited a month before actually giving my review on this. So after the month, like I seen, well, it took about 3 weeks actually for it to start clearing up. The first week it was the purging state where everything kind of started breaking out, and I was experiencing a lot more breakouts than I was before, just everything from under the skin coming out. And then the second week things started clearing up, and in the third week everything looked nice and clear. And then in the fourth week I was experiencing no breakouts, and I also tried keeping up with staying away from dairy products and drinking a lot of water. That's also important when you're like working on your skincare routine. It's things that you're doing from the inside as well, so making sure to drink a lot of water. And for people like myself, I experience breakouts with a lot of dairy products, and especially like cream, like in my coffee, like I need to make sure that's my vegan creamer, and just staying away from all that extra saucy stuff. And I would also recommend, if you are experiencing acne in like your adulthood, and like you've tried a lot of different things for your skin and they're still not working for you, changing your diet as well is another really good thing for helping your skin, because dairy is a really big cause of hormonal breakouts, and people don't realize that the milk is actually created for their babies, and that's why like there's so much hormones in it that cause you to have breakouts with your skin, things like eczema, rosacea. Like there's so many different skin problems, itchiness, just like inflammation in the joints and stuff is caused from the hormones in the milk. So keeping away from that, and then being really consistent with your skincare routine, wash your face daily, and not going overboard with the product. So don't try using this with a bunch of different things, and if you are, make sure it's something that your skin is comfortable with. Don't try using something new while trying this customized product, and give it time, because you want to make sure that purge stage goes through first, and then you can see like what the product is actually doing for you. And then after doing the test, you can see like it's meant to like help for oily skin or things that help for dry skin. The ingredients in your products are all different based on your skin, so that's why the test is really nice, because it helps you find the actual perfect product for your skin, and you're not going through that stage where you're looking for the right thing to use and then trying something that ends up drying out your skin. You're actually doing a test and finding something that is directed, customized right for you. So that's awesome. And then you also have access to a dermatologist at all times, and your first kit actually is free, so you just have to pay for shipping, and it's a trial kit, so you get to see how it goes. And I think that's amazing, because with skincare it's really hard to find something that works for your skin. I know like in the winter I get really dry skin, so that's when I would need something that would help me with dry skin. And then in the summer I have like a really oily T-zone area. Even like right after putting on makeup, like I start experiencing oiliness right away. So yeah, that's it for the products. I'm gonna jump right into it and, you know, show you guys what my skincare routine looks like. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, hope it helps, and just know that like a lot of other people go through skincare problems, and honestly like a lot of the internet and Instagram and TikTok and stuff, there's so many different filters and stuff, so people like feel really bad about their skin, and they don't realize that pores, blackheads, whiteheads, all of that is so natural and normal, and like we should normalize skin and like skin problems, because a lot of us have it and we shouldn't feel bad about having them. It's really good to have things that work for it. So yeah, I'm gonna jump right into my skincare routine, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And that brings us to the end of today's video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you haven't already, please check out MDacne. They have really awesome customized skincare, and if you guys are trying it out, I really hope it works for you, because I know skincare issues can make you feel really insecure, and it's really nice to have something that actually works. If you haven't already, please check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.